Ever wonder what goes into making that perfect shade of lipstick?
Or ensuring your go-to medication is safe and effective.
Well, today's deep dive takes us into the fascinating world of chemical mixers.
And let me tell you,
And let me tell you, it's way more intriguing than just mixing stuff in a giant vat.
absolutely.
It's a career.
It's a career that often flies under the radar, but it plays a critical role in countless industries.
We've got a stack of resources from RoleCatcher.com to help us break it down. Now, their guide starts by defining a chemical mixer's primary role as, quote, operating and maintaining mixing tanks and blenders to create chemical products from raw materials.
Sounds simple enough, right?
It sounds deceptively straightforward, but think about the level of precision involved.
Right.
We're not talking about whipping up a batch of cookies here.
Yeah.
These are chemical compounds with specific properties that need to be meticulously combined.
And that's where those batch ticket specifications come in, the chemical mixer's Bible, as I like to call them. Precisely. Imagine a recipe, but instead of teaspoons and tablespoons, you've got precise measurements down to the milligram.
Wow.
Specific temperatures, mixing speeds,
Oh, wow.
and a whole lot of chemistry know-how to ensure the final product is exactly what it needs to be.
It's like a high-stakes baking show where the judges are looking for absolute perfection, not just a tasty treat. And speaking of high stakes, RoleCatcher really emphasizes the impact of a chemical mixer's expertise on the consistency and safety of the final products.
And rightfully so.
Yeah.
We're talking about pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food additives, things people rely on every single day.
Right.
A small error in the mixing process could have significant consequences.
Okay, that's a bit intense. So what's the work environment like for these guardians of chemical precision?
Yeah.
RoleCatcher paints a vivid picture.
It's definitely not your typical office job.
Yeah.
Imagine a bustling manufacturing setting, potentially noisy with the hum of machinery, where safety is paramount.
Yeah. The guide mentions potential exposure to chemicals and fumes, so protective gear is a must-have, not just a fashion statement. And let's be real, this isn't a job for those who shy away from physical demands.
Absolutely. Operating heavy equipment, handling materials, and ensuring everything is running smoothly requires a certain level of physical stamina.
Right,
But it's not just about brawn. Teamwork and communication are crucial in this role.
right. Because even with all the safety precautions in the world, things can still go wrong.
Yeah.
And you need to be able to rely on your team and communicate effectively, especially in a fast-paced production environment. So we've got a good grasp of the day-to-day. But let's talk career path.
Yep.
Is a chemical mixer job a stepping stone? Or can you really build a long-term career in this field?
That's where RoleCatcher's insights into career progression really shine. They break it down into stages, showing a clear path for those starting as chemical mixer assistants. You're essentially learning the ropes, assisting experienced mixers, and getting familiar with the equipment and processes.
You're like the apprentice, soaking up knowledge and honing your skills. But where do you go from there?
The next step is typically chemical mixer operator.
Okay.
At this level, you're independently handling the mixing process, ensuring those batch ticket specifications are met with precision. It's a lot of responsibility, but also a chance to really master the craft.
And I imagine that with experience comes the opportunity to climb even higher on the career ladder.
Exactly. RoleCatcher highlights positions like senior chemical mixer, where you might be developing new mixing processes, troubleshooting issues, or even training junior staff.
So you're basically the go-to expert, the one everyone relies on for your knowledge and problem-solving skills.
Precisely.
Okay.
And for those with leadership aspirations,
Yeah.
there's the role of chemical mixing supervisor. You're overseeing the entire mixing operation, managing a team, ensuring safety protocols are followed,
Right.
and acting as a liaison with other departments.
It's amazing to see how this career path can lead to such diverse responsibilities. You start by mastering the technical aspects. Yeah. And then potentially move into training, process improvement, or even management.
It really speaks to the versatility of a career in chemical mixing. And what I find particularly helpful about RoleCatcher's approach is how they provide real-world examples for each stage.
Right. They don't just list job titles. They give you a glimpse into the day-to-day realities, the skills required, and even the potential salary ranges.
It's like having a crystal ball
Oh, wow.
that shows you the different paths your career could take and what you need to do to get there.
Okay, so we've talked about the exciting stuff. But let's be real. No job is perfect. What does RoleCatcher say are the potential downsides of a chemical mixing career?
Well, we've already touched on the physical demands and the need to be comfortable in a potentially hazardous environment. Those are definitely factors to consider.
Right, those safety regulations aren't there for decoration. It's a job that requires constant vigilance and a commitment to following procedures.
And then there's the potential for shift work, long hours, and the pressure of meeting production deadlines.
Right.
It's not a career for those who thrive on a predictable 9 to 5 schedule.
So you need to be adaptable, have a strong work ethic, and be okay with a bit of unpredictability.
Exactly. But, even with those challenges, the potential rewards are significant. And speaking of rewards, let's talk about how RoleCatcher's AI-powered platform can give you a serious edge in your job search.
Okay, we've danced around it long enough. Tell us more about how RoleCatcher's AI can help someone land their dream chemical mixing gig.
It all starts with identifying the right skills. Their platform analyzes job descriptions with laser precision, highlighting the specific qualifications employers are seeking.
So no more second guessing if your skills match what the hiring manager is looking for.
Exactly. You can tailor your resume and cover letter to emphasize the experience and qualifications that are most relevant, which can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed.
That's huge. But what about actually finding those job postings? I remember spending hours scouring job boards, feeling like I was getting lost in a sea of irrelevant listings.
That's where RoleCatcher's RoleCatcher.capture plugin comes in. It lets you save job postings from any website directly to your RoleCatcher account.
So no more endless tabs or trying to remember where you saw that perfect listing.
Exactly. It's like having a personal job board that's curated specifically for your career goals.
I am loving this AI-powered efficiency. But let's talk about the interview process. That's where the nerves really start to kick in for most people, including me.
I hear you. Interviews can be intimidating, but RoleCatcher has your back. Remember that massive database of interview questions we mentioned earlier?
Yeah.
Well, it's not just a random collection of questions. It's tailored to specific careers, including chemical mixing.
So instead of getting generic questions about teamwork or problem solving,
Right.
you're getting hit with scenarios specific to the world of chemical mixing.
You got it. Imagine practicing your answers to questions like, how would you handle a situation where a key ingredient doesn't meet the required specifications? Or describe a time you had to troubleshoot a problem with the mixing tank.
Yeah.
These are the kinds of curveballs that can really throw you off in an interview. But with RoleCatcher, you'll be ready for anything.
That's like having a sneak peek into the hiring manager's playbook.
Precisely. And it doesn't stop there. RoleCatcher takes interview prep to a whole new level with its AI-powered feedback system.
Oh, what?
You can record yourself answering practice questions, and their AI analyzes your performance,
Oh, wow.
providing personalized insights and suggestions.
No way. It's like having a personal interview coach in your pocket.
Exactly. It's incredible how technology is transforming the job search process.
But speaking of technology, we've talked about the impact of automation on various industries.
Right.
So how is this wave of innovation affecting the world of chemical mixing?
Yeah. Are robots going to be taking over those mixing tanks anytime soon?
Hmm.
Should aspiring chemical mixers be worried?
It's a valid question. But instead of thinking about robots replacing humans, imagine them as powerful tools.
That enhance a chemical mixer's capabilities. Automation can handle the repetitive, physically demanding tasks, freeing up skilled professionals to focus on more complex and critical aspects of the job.
So instead of being tied to the mixing tank all day, they could be overseeing the automation process, fine-tuning parameters, or even diving deeper into data analysis to optimize production.
Exactly. The role of a chemical mixer is evolving. It's no longer just about following a set of instructions, but about understanding the science behind those instructions, troubleshooting issues, and potentially even programming and maintaining automated systems.
That sounds way more exciting than just pushing buttons.
Absolutely. As technology advances, we'll likely see even more sophisticated chemical mixing processes, requiring skilled professionals to adapt, learn, and push the boundaries of what's possible.
So it's not about being replaced, but about leveling up your skills to stay ahead of the curve. It sounds like a career that combines precision with a healthy dose of innovation.
Absolutely. And that's what makes it such a fascinating field to be a part of. It's a career for those who appreciate both the art and science of chemical mixing, who thrive in a fast-paced environment, and who are always eager to learn and grow.
I'm getting major mad scientist vibes here, and I'm here for it. For all of you listening, if you're intrigued by a career that blends meticulous precision with cutting-edge technology and has a direct impact on countless products we use every day, then maybe a career as a chemical mixer is worth exploring. But here's a final thought to ponder as you embark on your own deep dive. We've seen how technology is poised to reshape the role of a chemical mixer, but what about the ethical implications? As we rely more on automation to handle potentially hazardous materials, how do we ensure safety and responsible practices? It's a conversation worth having as we navigate the exciting but ever-evolving landscape of chemical mixing. Till next time, keep those brains buzzing, and we'll catch you on our next deep dive.